Is it recording? Oh. Hi there, guys. My name is Brandon Rempel. Today, I'm going to show you 3 skills that I've learned, self-taught by the way, and let's get into it. So for my first tutorial, I'm going to show you how to shoot a dragon. Okay, so let's say you're walking around and then a dragon just comes and starts attacking you, and so I'm going to teach you how to defend yourself from a dragon using only an air rifle. Okay, it's not even a real gun. I tricked y'all. So first, that's the dragon. And now I'm going to show you how to shoot it. So first you're going to get down on one knee, like so. And then you want to put the gun, you want to put the stock, you want to rest your head right up here. And then this is your trigger finger. This is probably the most effective ways of it. I've killed 4 dragons. Before. This is going to be my 5th. And so then you want to put your hand very close to the barrel and just let her rip. So that's pretty much how you kill a dragon's dad. Another thing I'm gonna teach you how to do is oh, I have an idea.